Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. I am Teacher Ain and this is Teacher Bella. Alright, so today we want to do science experiment volcano. So first thing is
vinegar, food coloring, baking soda, and the last one we need mini mountain using empty bottle, and you cut the bottle. Okay,
children, are you ready to do an experiment? Let's do this.
Okay, first you must put food coloring, then you put baking soda, okay, last one we put the vinegar inside mini mountain.